Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Kemtek building that's being built on Constant Spring Road. Now this is it's coming along nicely, I must say. Very nice building. I must say the modern buildings or the new buildings they're building today are very artistic, or that's not the word, but they're looking very nice, very modern looking. I must give credit to the architects in Jamaica. This is what the finished building is going to look like, and they seem to be very close to finishing. So the bottom floor is going to have commercial space for rent, like restaurants, those kind of things. The next two floors are going to be, I'm not sure the floor layout, but two floors are going to be for Kemtek and two floors for call center space. I'm not sure if I'm assuming the top floors will be for the Kemtek head office. And Kemtek, they build houses all over Jamaica. And now they're going into the BPO sector by building a commercial building. Very nicely done. Kemtek built a lot of the developments in Draxall and Trelawney. And I think they're doing one in Portmore now. But the building is coming along nicely. It's moving very quickly to solve. It's probably a Chinese contractor. And this is one of, they have two other major developments going on this side of Constant Spring Road. Just down the road, they're actually building a plaza. Alright, we're going to give you a tour of the building from the other side. And we'll make a drone video of the building. Not today, but before the month is end. Before the month is finished. And this building is right across the street from Bank of Nova Scotia, BNS. Alright, so we're on Constant Spring Road now. We're going to give you a view of the building from this side. That's NCB right there on the left. Sorry, on the right. And then BNS on the right. The building is on the left. It looks like it's going to have underground parking.